Alright, so see, we're in neutral here. Well, sort of neutral. But if you go up, we have a second neutral up here. Alright, so we got an H here that has a shifter problem. You could, when you would go for any of the forward gears, it would go right through and just flop like it had a neutral all the way up here at the top. So what the problem is this pin is worn through. I don't know if we can see that or not. So it's got a hole in it there, and you can see it's just worn just about all the way through right in here. Right there. But anyway, what it's doing is it's allowing the shifter to go up when you shifted, and it would hop out of the shift rails, which you can't really see. There they are. It would hop out of the shift rails down there, and so you could accidentally get it into 2 gears at once. So we got it out of 2 gears, so now it will roll, and we're gonna put it all back together and flip this pin here over, and hopefully that'll give us enough meat left in it that it won't do this anymore, because I really don't want to have to rebuild the entire shifter on this tractor yet anyway. Alright, so we did the normal shifter rebuild. We put a 3/8 bolt in it instead of the dowel pin that was worn way down. We got a much firmer shifter feel out of it. It's much tighter. See, not nearly so sloppy. So, fixed that problem. Now on to other problems.